Here we are going to learn how to determine the general term of a quadratic sequence. So here we are given a sequence 3, 9, 17, 27 up to infinity. So here we're gonna say 9 minus 3, it will gives us 6, and 17 minus 9 it will gives us 8, and 27 minus 17 it will give us 10. So this is our first difference. So we have to find our second difference, which is 8 minus 6 will give us 2. 10 minus 8 gives us 2. So this is our second difference. So we have to find our Tn, that is written as an squared plus bn plus c. So we have to find a using our second difference, we have to find b using our first difference, we have to find c using our given sequence. So here we're gonna find a using 2a is equal to our second difference, which is 2. So here we're gonna divide by 2, divide by 2, a is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now we have our a. So that a is gonna help us to find b. So we're gonna use this formula, 3a plus b is equal to 6, which is our first difference there. Our first term of the first difference is 6. So the way our a is 1 plus b, is b is equal to 6. So 3 times 1 is 3. So here with b is equal to, when we take 3 to the other side, it will be negative 3. So it will be 6 minus 3, which is 3. So you have to find the c. So our c is a plus b plus c is equal to our first term from our given sequence is 3. So it's equal to 3. Then our a is 1, our b is 3, and c is equal to 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus c is equal to 3. So we take that 4 to the other side. So c is equal to 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1. So now we have a, we have b, we have c. So therefore our general term is equal to, because a is 1, that means it's n squared, plus b is positive 3, that's why I wrote plus, then it's 3, and then our c is negative, that means it's negative 1. So this is our general term using the first approach. So let's call this approach 1, then our approach 2, it will be saying Tn is equal to using arithmetic formula or arithmetic sequence. So it's a plus into n minus 1 d, but we call this d d1 because we're gonna use our first difference. Then we're gonna see plus, we add half into n minus 1 and n minus 2. Then we're gonna call this d2 because we're gonna use our second difference. So from here, our Tn is equal to A. A is the first term, so it's 3 plus n minus 1. Our d1 is 6, so we're gonna use 6 here, plus our half there, then our n minus 1. I'll just copy this one as it is, n minus 2. Then d2 is 2, so here we're having 2, right? So from here we're gonna see it's 3 plus 6 times n is 6n, 6 times negative 1 is minus 6, plus our half there. Then I'm gonna write this first bracket as it is, minus 1. Then I'll say 2 times n, which is 2n, 2 times negative 2, which is minus 4. So from here I'm gonna say I'll take 6n, I'll take 6n, then 3 minus 6, it will give us minus 3. So plus, I will write half, then I'll open bracket, n minus, n times 2n, it will be 2n squared. So n times negative 4, it will be negative 4n. Then negative 1 times 2n, it will be negative 2n. Then negative 1 times negative 4, it will be positive 4. So from here I will write 6n minus 3 as it is, plus, then okay, let me write this half as it is. So here let me copy 2n squared. So here we have minus 4 minus 2, which is minus 6n plus 4. So from here I will write this 6n minus 3 as it is, plus, because it's plus, so it's half times 2n squared. The 2 will cancel 2, so we'll be left with n squared. So half times 6n negative, because it's negative there, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, so it will be 3n positive there, that means positive. 4 times half, that means 4 divided by 2 is 2. So from here I will copy n squared, because it's the only n squared, there is no other n squared. So here we have 6 minus 3n, 6n minus 3n is plus, because it's 6 minus 3 is plus 3n. I have negative 3 plus 2, that means is minus 1. So this is our Tn. In other words, this is our Tn. It's the same as this one at the top. So our first Tn is n squared plus 3n minus 1. Our second is n squared plus 3n minus 1. So this one is the first approach, it's the simplest one. This one is the second approach, a little bit complex one. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.